Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. Using the article the with certain nouns, and especially with places, can sometimes be confusing. Should we say I went to hospital, or I went to the hospital? I went to school, or I went to the school? Which one is correct? In today's video, we are going to talk about the different ways to use the article the with words like school, university and hospital. Stay with me until the end of the video to find answers to these questions. We'll also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started! Let's first start with understanding what our article the means. The is an article in English language, and it is used to refer to a specific person, place or thing that is already known to the speaker and the listener. In some cases we need to use the, in some cases we don't. In this video I'll explain when we use the with clear examples. Let's begin with a word which we all know, school. I will give you some sentences. For example, when I was 10, I went to school. When I was 10, I went to the school. Both sentences are correct, but they have slightly different meanings. In the first sentence, I talked about school as a general idea. I went to school for education, just like most children. I was a student. Here we don't need the because the focus is on the purpose, not the building. In the second sentence, the school means that I went to the school not as a student. I possibly went there because I was a visitor to meet a teacher. Here the school is a specific building. Let's have another example with the word university. I have two sentences. After school, I went to university. After school, I went to the university. Again, in the first example, I talked about university as a general idea. I didn't mention a specific university. It was like a statement that I went to university as a chapter in my life. In the second sentence, I talked about a specific university, but the article the suggests that both I and the listener already know which university I'm referring to. Usually using the university also means a specific purpose, for example, to attend a lecture or meet someone. So you can see from using two examples, we got two slightly different meanings. Another word which I would like to explain is hospital. That word can be a little tricky because there are some differences between British and American English. Let's look at a simple situation. Let's say that I have stomach pain and I need to see a doctor. I have made an appointment and now I'm meeting the doctor. Now I'm at the hospital. At the hospital here means that I'm being seen by the doctor. I am not admitted, just visiting for a checkup. After the checkup, the doctor decided that I needed to have some treatment and should stay. I'm in hospital now. Being in hospital means to be a patient. Now consider this sentence. After spending 2 weeks in the hospital, I felt better. In this case, in the hospital doesn't just mean I was a patient. It focuses on the duration and the experience of being there. As well, it's also how Americans usually say it. They often use in the hospital when someone is a patient. What if someone works there? She works at the hospital. At the hospital means that her workplace is the hospital. This is a general statement. She works in the hospital. In the hospital here is more specific, inside the building. If you remember these small differences and focus on the context, patient, visitor or worker, you'll always know which form to use. Words like prison or jail, college and church are used in a similar way. We do not use the when we talk about these places in a general way, focusing on their main purpose or function. I hope this grammar was clear and helpful, and to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you and goodbye.